Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates, game patches, and GPU drivers. This avoids solved bugs. Once done, launch Battlefield 6 and switch graphics to custom so you control each setting. Next, disable heavy post-process effects like motion blur and film grain to see raw lighting changes. Take a quick baseline. Note frame rate, overall brightness, and whether HDR is enabled, because these values show whether later tweaks actually improve the lighting. Now you dive into core options. Adjust global illumination and ambient occlusion one step at a time, because big jumps can blow out scenes. Once done, tweak shadow quality to balance detail versus harsh contrast. Sharper shadows often reveal lighting problems. Make anti-aliasing changes. Try swapping TAA for FZA briefly to check whether blurring hides lighting artifacts. Finally, calibrate HDR or exposure using the in-game slider. Finish by locking settings that keep contrast intact but avoid clipping bright areas. Reduce bloom if needed. Once done, restart the game and compare screenshots to ensure consistency. If problems persist, validate game files through the launcher and test lighting with a different GPU profile or another player's settings to isolate whether this is hardware, driver, or game-specific. One key troubleshooting tip: if dynamic lighting flickers, revert to default post-process and reapply changes one at a time to find the exact culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.